sorry I couldn't put my rear and non-rear nail time up. It's just because I lost it when I went for a ride. So she said, oh, cute for something. Sure. I'll say I'm gonna pour these cups. Thanks. But why did you replace me? Sorry guys, give me some music at the back. There's a few people in our house right now. That's why did you say hello? 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 When I said I'm here. Hello, she doesn't even know I'm recording. I'll tell her I'm recording. Let's say hi to you too. Okay, so I only have 2 more days left of VIP, so I'm just gonna check my baby bag. Oh, I already grabbed that backwards. She said, oh, were they sorry? Yes. Yes. Okay, let's just carry on. I'm not sure what to say. I just, she said, oops, I went to the chat room on accident. She said, hi YouTube, subscribe to her and me. I'm under something industry, but sub to her. She is a fab kitty. Oh, thanks. I can't really do the emojis, so I'm gonna do this. So everybody subscribe to her if you know her channel. She's in my room. She's in my room for some reason. This is what's status. Come to my house if you want to play G.O.D. Ooh, so it's got 2 people or 3 in my house? No, just we'll just get off a little bit more and you guys can, I think Noah's here. Really? I think, there she is. So everyone should be okay. So, yeah. I just need to say hi here. This is my living room. This is my galley. It's not that great. This is my kitchen. This is my passing room. I see a new German evil. I'm not gonna be her BFF if she's gonna tell me. I'm not gonna be her BFF if you're German evil. Oh, shit.